Welcome to the second part of the video tutorial showing you how to use the new Thesis and Dissertation template. In this section, we'll be discussing styles and how to use them to make changes to your text that can be updated within the table of contents and the list of figures and list of tables. If you notice in the template, there is already a table of contents, a list of tables, and a list of figures. Each of these were generated using styles applied to different sections of text. If you're unfamiliar with styles, think of them as a way to remember exactly what formatting you've applied to text. It can be saved and then reapplied in lots of different places. The list of styles are found here in the ribbon or in this toolbar on a Mac. There are a number of styles that are installed with the template. The main one that you'll be using throughout most of the text is called text. This is the basic style upon which they're all built on. This holds the level of the double spacing, it holds the indenting at the start of a new paragraph, the left justification, and the font times and the font size of 12 point. If you would change the text, say by bolding this and making it larger, and then reapply the text style here, you can change it back to the way it was. Other important styles are the chapter title and the heading levels. Each of those will be used to build the table of contents. Apply the chapter title style to each of your chapter titles. If you have more chapters than are listed here, each new one would gain the chapter title style. This is also used for your appendices, if you have any, and the references. Though the fonts and text look the same before the table of contents for things like the acknowledgments and the dedication, those do not use that style. And that is intentional, so that they will not appear in your table of contents. There are also heading styles built in. Heading level 1 is the highest level. Heading level 2 would be for a subheading under that. Heading 3 below that, and heading 4 below that. There are 4 styles, heading level styles, built into the template, and if you need to create more for additional sublevels, you can. By applying this text to each of your headings, by using styles, it makes it simple to generate a table of contents. Once you've made some changes, you can either right-click in the table of contents and select Update Field, or press Command-Option-Shift-U on a Macintosh or F9 in Windows to update the table of contents. If we select Update Field, tell it to update the entire table, it will have then changed all these page numbers to match where they are in the text. As you add additional pages and additional headings and text, and you update the table of contents, as long as you use the styles, it will update to match. The same is true for your list of tables and your list of figures. These are optional. If you don't have any tables or figures in your dissertation, you can eliminate these pages. Here it is an example table and the example text for that. This style is called tables, and apply it just to the caption, not to the table itself. Similarly, there is another style for figures. It's called figures. Apply it also just to the caption, not to the figure itself. Otherwise, they will appear in your list of figures. Once you've made changes to these, you can go back to your list of figures or your list of tables, and it works the same as updating the table of contents. Right-click, select Update Field, and hit OK. And then it will have changed the page numbers to reflect that.